An average size eggshell contains around 90% calcium, and it's also a natural source of more than 27 minerals, such as silicon, sodium, sulfur, aluminum, magnesium, phosphorus, and many more. The composition of the eggshell is very similar to our bones and teeth, which makes it easy for our body to absorb it. 1. Stops a toothache. We have heard of people placing a clove on a sore tooth or gum, and it helps to stop the pain until you can seek out dental treatment. Well, eggshells and comfrey root apparently have the same effect. You need to mix equal parts of each and apply to sore spots on the tooth or gum. 2. Treat skin irritations. Eggshells have a lot of vital nutrients in them that are actually really good for us. With this in mind, it shouldn't be that surprising that they can help with minor skin irritations. So, the next time your skin is bothering you, pull out that ACV that has had your eggshells put in it. Then use it to dab on your skin to soothe it. 3. Whiter whites. Do you struggle with your white clothes becoming dingy? If so, then you'll be glad to know that you can use eggshells to help with that problem as well. So you'll need to place your eggshells in a lingerie bag with some lemon slices. Then put them in the wash cycle with whites. 4. Kick the pest out. Do you have unwanted pests in your garden? If so, then eggshells should become your new best bud. You'll need to keep an eye out for where those pests visit the most. Then sprinkle some broken eggshells in those places. 5. Add to potting soil. Do you find yourself buying the cheap potting soil because you're on a budget, or you plant so much that it just gets flat out expensive? Well, spice up that cheap potting soil a little bit by adding your eggshells to it. It will up the quality of it and hopefully produce better plants. 6. Eat them. You know that you can eat the egg, but did you know that you can eat the eggshell too? You can. You create an eggshell powder by baking the eggshells and then grinding them into a fine powder. Once this is done, you can toss the powder into any beverage and give yourself a great calcium boost.
If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with family and friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more health remedies and tips. Thank you.